Press A and remove everything. Import a 3D model into the viewport. Change the transform values. Press Ctrl A and apply all transform. Set the origin as geometry to origin. Now go to sculpt mode and select the smooth brush. Enable the x-axis mesh symmetry and start smoothing the base mesh. After you are satisfied, go to object mode and then after that add a remesh modifier. Select smooth and increase the octave depth to somewhere around 5 or 6. Check smooth shading and apply the remesh modifier. Now switch the render engine from UV to cycles and follow the steps as shown in the video. Add an HDRI environment for lighting. Then add a camera. Change the resolution to 1080 by 1080 pixels. Reduce the end frame to 240. Then select the camera. Go to object properties and bring back the camera in y-axis. Then go to the object data properties and increase the focal length of the camera. Select the base mesh and rotate it a little bit in z-axis. Go to the render view, get a preview of the scene. In the render properties, go to film and enable transparent. Then go to shader editor. Make sure the 3D model is selected. Add a displacement, then add a harmony texture, wave texture and a noise texture. Press Ctrl plus T to get this texture coordinate and the mapping node setup. This is very helpful for controlling these textures. Now join these textures similarly as shown in the video. Switch the displacement type from bump only to displacement only. Reduce the mid-level to 0.05 and height to 0.04, or you can increase or decrease depending upon your choice. Go to the modifier properties, add a subdivision surface modifier. Keep making the changes unless you are satisfied by the end result. After you are done with this, select the principal PSDF shader, go to Subsurface and increase the weight to 1. Also increase the scale value to somewhere around 2 or 3. You can increase or decrease it depending on your choice. It's totally dependent upon you. And reduce the base color to somewhat a darker shade. As you can see, there are multiple options available, leading to multiple possibilities. Now to loop this animation, you just need to play with the phase offset value. The values which I am currently using are actually tested values. So you can just copy them and get better results. Just to get a preview of the animation, press Ctrl, Shift and left mouse button and play the animation. You can also play with the X, Y and Z rotation values to get a desired look and also to animate the texture in a unique way. Now let's render out the image to get a preview of the scene. You can also change the subsurface scattering radius values to get a better control of the color of the mesh.